In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own vlog using the most basic setup like your phone and a simple tripod like this or a stand like this. This is also going to be my very first own vlog on my channel. We are traveling to a place called Tamhini Ghat. It's a beautiful place and let's see what we get ahead. So let's do this. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the behind the scenes and then the actual edited video which is shot on the phone. This way you'll be seeing the making and also the final vlog that we have shot on this phone. So to keep in mind that it is not a destination alone, it is a journey that matters when you capture a vlog. When you're shooting your vlogs, always ensure you're not shooting on the vertical mode, always shoot on the horizontal, which is the landscape mode, because you're going to upload it on YouTube or such social media platforms. If you're shooting on a portrait mode or a vertical mode, you'll have those blank spaces on the left and right hand side of your footage and it's not going to look good. So we are en route to Tamhini Ghat today. It's a beautiful weather. You can see around me, it's nice, lush, green. It has rained some time back and it has added a lot of drama to the roads and to the entire environment. Is green, it is moody, it is cloudy, it is everything. It's going to be an amazing vlog today and I'm really looking forward to this. Here we are on the road. We have stopped a very beautiful place. This is called Pirangu and this is en route. It's on the way to Tamhini Ghat. This road go to Lavasa. We are going ahead from here. We're going straight instead. We have stopped here for basic stretching because we've been traveling for like an hour. It's always good to stop and take a little break and give your body some stretch and look around. It feels good, it keeps you going. Stopped at this place for some breakfast because it's been quite some time been traveling and we are hungry. You need energy to keep going and shooting the good videos. So just a small break. So the spot you see behind me is called the Malar Machi resort. It's one of the very famous resorts here and it's a premium resort and the rates are expensive is what they say. So this is on the way to Tamhini Ghat. I always suggest that you carry a plastic bag or something because we do not want to litter and spoil our roads. It is our responsibility as well to keep our environment clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my car dicky space and I have a bag there. I'm going to dispose this bottle over there so that I do not mess with the environment and I keep it clean as a good citizen. So I've stopped here. This is one of the most famous spots on the way to Tamhini Ghat. It has a nice green valley, beautiful clouds, background. Whenever I travel to Tamhini Ghat, I always make it a point that I stop here, take a break, have a sweet corn. There's a sweet corn guy out there. He's serving some nice piping hot sweet corn. I'll be having that. So here we are having a sweet corn. You can see in the background being roasted, a nice popping sound coming. It's such a fun to have these kind of things on the way. These small things matter so much when you travel. This place that you see behind me, the river lake, that is actually the Mulshi lake. The water goes to the Mulshi dam and this is also en route to the Tamhini Ghat where we are going. You can see such beautiful and scenic this place is with mountains, clouds, water, greenery. Once we go ahead, it is going to be even a better treat. that's my friend Rakesh, who accompanied me for this shoot today, helping me, driving around for me. And he's taking a shot of the jackfruit, which I just showed you. So as we're shooting here, this guy said, what are we shooting here for? And I told him it's a YouTube channel that I'm shooting. He said I would like to see, and I logged him onto my channel, and he's going through the video. Wonder if he subscribe or no, that time will tell. A very famous restaurant called Basho's. So we are taking another short break and we're shooting on the way again. Love this area. It has nice background behind the lake, mountains, clouds, the road. So let's see what we get ahead. We're now moving towards the Tamhini Ghat, which is not too far from here, and that is the spot that we are destined to go, and let's see what we get there. We have stopped at this beautiful waterfall place which you saw on the way. My friend is helping me to take this shot because it's not possible for me to put the camera that far off and take a shot. You can see how beautiful this is, the rocks, the flowing water, nature, the sound of the water to your ears is amazing. Not very often that you get to experience these things. So when you get a chance to travel, do travel, be amidst nature, and I'm very sure you'll get a beautiful healing for your mind, your soul and your body. Let me show you around this place. We are just about to reach Tamhini Ghat in a very short while. Beautiful, beautiful place. You can see this waterfall behind me. Nice, sweet, little cute waterfall. Today it did not rain. Actually, it rained very heavily in this region during the monsoon, but unfortunately it did not. But no worries, we've captured a lot of stuff, and let me show you around. So now you can see I have finally reached the spot which is called the Tamhini Ghat, and you have to be here to believe this because it cannot be shot on a camera and the entire beauty cannot be captured on it. I'll try my best and show you some shots from here, but this is the best view you can ever get on the Tamhini Ghat. Valley is really steep and deep valley that you can see, and it is going to rain very shortly. We have been waiting for the rain, but I'm sure it's going to rain heavily now, and I will show you some shots from this place so that you can see the beauty and why we have to travel so far to capture it. Having some fun, beautiful nice waterfall, nice clean water, and I'm really loving it. After so long I'm getting into a waterfall, maybe after 6, 7, 8 years, I don't know what. So I'm going to enjoy this moment today. So as you can see, we had another waterfall. This place is flooded with beautiful small waterfall which you can enjoy and get into and enjoy, but you've got to keep in mind that the rocks have a lot of moss and your leg can slip, so you've got to be careful. I'm going to get into this. I'm going to have a lot of fun. Standing here on the rocks, the waterfall, it is crazy. I mean, it is really crazy. I'm really enjoying it. It is a thrilling experience. This gentleman, he is planting a tree over here, and such a beautiful initiative. Planting tree among so many trees, but this is indeed a very good thought, and we all must do this. I just love this concept. As you can see behind me, A lot of fog, beautiful mountains. I'm using this word term beautiful a lot today because it is indeed very beautiful and nature can really be mesmerizing. It is beginning to rain now and I wanted it to rain because it is very important. Without rain, there is no fun in this particular location because it looks only good when you have monsoon, you have rains, and that mood is there. I'm really going berserk today. We stopped at a place called Quick Bite. You can see the name behind me, and it serves amazing food, and ambience is also good. Very high quality food at a very reasonable price. I highly recommend this place. If you are going to Tamhini Ghat, you can stop at this place and enjoy and relish your meal. And we have ordered the local food, which is called at Pitla Bhakri. It looks delicious, and we are very hungry after a long day's shoot. We are going to gobble this up. Now it's very important that you have your phone battery charged fully, have ample of space in that because you want to record a lot of footage, and more importantly carry a power bank because you're going to go outdoors. You may or may not get a charging point. So these things are very important as you're creating a vlog on your phone. Before I sign off, here are some more videos that can be helpful.